Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to build a modern to-do app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The app will have light and dark theme switching, and users will be able to add, edit, and delete tasks. Let's get started. First, let's start by building the basic HTML structure of our app. It will include a title, an input field to add tasks, and a list where the tasks will be displayed. Now, let's style our app using CSS. We'll create a modern, minimalist design with rounded corners and subtle shadows. We're styling the container, title, and input field for tasks. We're also adding styles for both light and dark themes. When users click the theme toggle button, the background color and text color will change. Next, we'll add some logic using JavaScript. Let's start by adding the theme toggle feature. We'll create a button that allows users to switch between these themes. Now, let's add the functionality to input a new task and display it in our task list. Next, let's add the ability to edit tasks. Our app will have both light and dark modes. To make sure our tasks persist, even after the page is refreshed, let's save them in local storage and load them when the app starts. To make the app more interactive and visually appealing, I'm going to add some emojis. Instead of typing them directly into the code, I have a separate file with all the emojis I want to use. The to-do app is ready. Now, let's take a look at how it works. I'll show you how to add tasks, edit them, delete them, and switch between light and dark modes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.